It's so weird. Everybody else goes to the hospital.
The curtains are moving. We have ghosts in the hospital. No one's touching them.
You hear my phone vibrate.
Spreadsina, you need a pelvic.
What? I need a pelvis.
I think I should walk through here all the way through and videotape all the trunks that are in here. So you can say how to hold me up.
We'll put Jen in the ICU. I'll help Chris if you want to take that.
Did I hear the word Chris?
Yeah, now you have proof that we were here.
I love you.
You love me.
He does cocktails and power and others.